Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to upload a short video on YouTube by PC. So let's start. Well, as you can see, I'm here on YouTube on my account. Then I have here my video. This video, it's the screen recording, so it has the perfect size for a short video. Then just go to the YouTube again, and then let's go to create a new one and then upload video. Here appears the window to upload a video. Then just select the video that you want to upload. In this case I want this one, so just click here and just put here. Okay, just the name of the file here, and as you can see here, YouTube recognize this as a short video, so also you can write here a short. Okay, and then just click on description and you can select if it's not for kids, video elements, and checks, and visibility. In this case I want to this will be private, and then that's it. So just wait a little bit until this upload is complete, and then when it is complete, the video on your channel, well, it'll be appears as a short video. So let's wait a little bit. As you can see, I'm here on my channel content, and then if you see here doesn't appear the video, so let's go to shorts, and here appears the video that I have uploaded. So as you can see here, it says shorts, and you click here. Well, right now the visibility it's a draft, but well, here appears as short. As you can see, it's very easy to upload short videos by PC on YouTube, so that is the way to do it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.